Hey everybody, in this quick video, we are going to show you how to share your screen on Zoom. So it is perfect for meetings, classes, or presentations. So just jump right into the video for that. Start by opening up Zoom on your device. I'm using a PC. You can even use up your mobile device and go to Zoom and search for it and find zoom.com. And if you're not signed in, you can sign in into your account. So let's head over and sign in. Look out for the sign in option, click on it and use your account in order to sign in. I'm going to use my Google account. You can use your Apple or any other account in order to create or sign in into your account. Once you are signed in here, you will be finding this particular screen right here. Now, what you may do is from here, go over and start up a meeting or join a meeting. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and join a quick meeting so that we can show you how we can share our screen. So go ahead and click on the option and go over and join a meeting. And there we go. So here you can see I have currently joined the meeting. Now what we need to do is basically locate the screen share button once you are here. So on your bottom of your screen, you should be finding different options available, including the option called share screen. So find this button right here and click on it, and that will open up the screen sharing options. You can either share only a tab, a window, or even the entire screen. So for example, if we'd like to share the entire screen, you can select this option, and apart from that, if you'd like to also share the audio, you should be finding an option called share with system audio. You need to enable this option in order to share it and click on share option. Once you do so, you will be sharing your screen here. So this will be available for all the people that will be joining your meeting. You can just go ahead and share it, and you can even change up your screen. Like if you're using YouTube or any other platform, the screen will be shared on your Zoom meeting right here. And while sharing your Zoom meeting, you can even share your video and present with your presentation and everything, and control your screen, pause, stop sharing, annotate, chat with participants, and etc. When you're done, you can just go and click on this option called stop sharing and complete it up, and that should stop sharing your screen, and that's it. So that is it. You can just go ahead and end your meeting after you complete sharing your screen and your presentation and everything. And once you confirm it up, that is it. That is how you share your screen on your Zoom meeting. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you for watching this video.